Good morning, guys. Today's quick trade. Just got in and got out of this stock in my personal account, but I know this is going to be coming back down. Just wanted to get in here and just bring a trade for the day. So this stock is going to hit my fib line, and there it is. Oh, and went right past it. Let's look at where we could see it potentially going. So it could go up here. Or it could go here. Let's just draw a line to see if it'll hit there. So I just went in and got out, made a nice profit for the day, but I want to bring you just a trade. So jump in here to try and get this on the down. So like you see here, my trend line framing my pattern. This is the line. Actually, I got out somewhere up here. Yes, right here. Or was it right here? Right here. Right here from it broke this fib line. I just got in and just took a profit. And because this is one of the stock that's moving, just wanted to get in here and just get something for you to see. So fib line panned out. There it is. Even though it went past, it is still sticking on it. I'm gonna try and get in here. It's a $6 stock. Let's say let's not be too greedy. I'm not sure how much money you have, so we were setting it up. It's still going. Like we pointed out, there is another line here. Doubt if it's going to get up there, but this is a powerful pattern. Waiting to see what happens. What I can do, I can just pull fib to see. Okay, there. So I took early profit, and as usual, but because I wanted to come in here and just give you something. So it's sticking right here now. Let's just draw a line to see where it's sticking. Okay. Let me just do this again. I'm going to just draw this here. Don't know why it rubber banded back down. But let me just change the color. Okay, I guess changing the color is what's messing it up. But I want to see what or where this is hitting. So I want to put in a horizontal line there. Not sure what's happening, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take everything away and start all over. So let's go on our daily, which is what I had done, but I was just being prudent. And just want to share with you one of the moving stocks. So it's not a lot doing anything today, so just want to share my trade with you. All right, so we got that in. That's on the daily, but like I said, it's stopping right here. Let's see where it's stopping. This line right there. Let's get rid of this. So it's stopping right here. This line that I just drew. Okay. Yeah, good resistance. Good resistance line. Let me get this out of the way so we can see. Yeah, this is where my blue line here is where it's stopping. So it's using this support as its resistance. All right, so we might see our turnaround right about now. VWAP is all the way down here. If this thing won't work, I'm just going to, okay. Sometimes you gotta threaten it. All right, so it's sticking on that support line right here. Can't seem to break it. So we're going to wait for a struggle before we assume that it's going to come back down. Guess the market paused because there's no movement. So because this was parabolic, I guess the market just shut down. And that's another thing with Webull. It doesn't show anywhere that that's what happened. Just gotta see these things not moving and see this not moving and figure out that, yeah, I guess the market stopped. Or this stock was put on hold because it's just been going up so fast. So I'm going to pause this video until it starts moving. Market's back, could not break that resistance, or I think it did. Yes, this line was the support resistance, blew past it, came back down. We're still not seeing a struggle yet to short this, so we're waiting. Don't want to get caught up in anything here. All right, so that went to my line, my fib line that I had here on my major support resistance. So it broke that. It should be coming down now. VWAP is making a bend here. Still not convinced, so we're holding. Now that I'm looking at this, I should have stayed in it more in my my personal account and just give you another trade. But it's what's moving, and I just wanted to bring you something today. So this just hit my major support resistance line. I'm thinking it's coming down. Let's just jump in here. 500 shares, a $7 stock, and because we like that VWAP now is curving here, so we're just gonna hope for the best. Love that bearish candle that we saw right here. So we're just we want to set as our exit this support line here, or we could just come back down and take it on this fib line or this fib line. And this might be the one to get out at because VWAP is getting up to this fib line. So we might just hold for it to get to here. So between $7 and $6.88. But this is a struggle that I should have been waiting on. So beginner traders, wait for the struggle. Don't jump in like I did. But wait for that struggle, which we're seeing here. Because I've been trading this for a while. I know when, when to go in based on factors. But you need to wait for the struggle before you get in. Because with unrealized here of $120, you may get stopped out by your brokerage company. So this is going to be coming down. Here's why. A new pattern is being formed. This is going to drop. But there's two confirmations right about here. Our support resistance line and our Fibonacci line. VWAP and Fib line is right here. So we can either take it round about here or here. So we have two bearish candle and a bullish candle trying to make it. Doesn't look like it's going to do that, so we're not too scared yet. But like I said, for beginner traders who has small equity, it's best to wait for this struggle before you enter the trade. I should have done that, but because I know what I know, I just went ahead and I apologize for that. But you need to protect your equity at all times, because it might be more of a hit for some people, more than some, to lose 75 to 100 and what dollars. It may be a bigger hit for you, and to some it may just not be, just maybe just another Wednesday. We're waiting for this to come back down, and because there seemed to be a lot more conviction for the upside, we might just take our early exit at 762, that first fib line. So let's just go in and set in our buy, so we can just get out of the market. 7.62 is our fib line. Or you know what, let's just go ahead and adjust this a little, just so that we have it correct. Okay, all right, it's now dropping already, like I said it would. But for beginner traders, you may get stopped out, so it's best to wait. Trying to get that there. All right, 757. Let's go ahead and change that to 757 before. Because VWAP now is still on an upward climb. Yes, it's curving, but it's past our fib line here. So we're just going to take early exit at 757, protecting our equity. And we could take the $100. Making $100 a day is nothing to sniff at, especially seeing it's now only 10:03. And it's looking pretty good. Lots of bearish candle. So we're now up $160 on PTGX. Our exit at 757, I'm sorry. What just happened was it's hitting on this support resistance line here, right here. But that's not major, so we're waiting. This is where patience come in, because we could just go ahead and take that, but we just wanted to hit our mark. Come on. Okay, so we should be out. I'm not sure why this is not moving. Okay, there we are. So we're out. We're up $215. Is now 10:06. So in half an hour, basically, we just made $200. And here it comes to VWAP. Let's see if it gets there. And VWAP is 728. So let's see. Did not really make it. That's why I like to, just to be on the safe side, to get out at my first exit, irregardless of what my profit is, as long as it's a profit. All right, so if we were waiting for VWAP, it didn't quite make it. Let's see if it's gonna turn around. It's a big drop already, so I'm not sure. And that's why I usually just get out, like I said, at my first exit, and whatever happens, happens. I'm still up $215 in half an hour on the day, and I'm good. All right, and that was only with 500 shares. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a nice comment, and I'll catch you tomorrow on the trading floor. Let me see if I can find something else to trade. All right, talk with you later. Bye. All right, guys, so I have been just editing my video to upload, and I just thought I'd look back on this stock, PTGX, where we had made $215 on earlier. And I just wanted to just show you that it did break through our VWAP line, went to our next fib line, and now it's just consolidating between the two fibs and on VWAP. So us taking our profit round about here was good, because there it is. You might have just got scared when you see it just moving there. So it's best to just get out when you see you're going to get out. Yes, it did go here, and if you are brave enough and you're convinced enough, then you could have waited for the next fib line. But there it is on fib, and now it's just hitting on it and going through on our VWAP. So that's just an update I wanted to bring with you. So again, all right, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.